Hello and welcome. You know that big, famous 10,000 step goal? Ever wondered if you could actually hit it without ever leaving your house? Well, today we're diving into some really clever, kind of desi or homespun ways to get you moving and feeling fantastic right where you are. So let's be real for a second. We've all been told that getting fit means a gym membership, right? Or some fancy equipment. But what if I told you the best tool you have isn't at the gym at all? It's right there in your home. In fact, it's just your own 2 feet.
And that brings us to the magic number 10,000. It's on our fitness trackers, it's in all the health articles, it is everywhere. So, what's the big deal with this number anyway? And more importantly, how on earth are you supposed to hit it indoors? Let's get into it.
Okay, so here's the secret about the 10,000 step challenge. It's not about one single super long punishing walk. No. It's all about something way more manageable. Accumulation. Think of that number as the gold standard, but the journey to get there, it's way more flexible than you probably think.
So, is this number for real? Well, according to health sources like 1MG, it absolutely is. Hitting 10,000 steps is a fantastic benchmark for your overall health, mainly because it's so clear and simple. It's kind of like the North Star for your daily movement. But let's be super clear here. We are not just chasing a number for the sake of it. The real prize, the thing that's going to keep you going, is the incredible range of health benefits you get from a consistent walking habit. The steps are just the method. The benefits? That's the real motivation. Physically, walking delivers a pretty powerful 1-2 punch. First up, it's amazing for your cardiovascular system. It keeps your heart strong. And second, it's honestly one of the most effective and sustainable ways to manage your weight.
And you know what? The benefits don't stop at the physical. As reported by AP News, walking is just a massive win for your mental well-being. It actively helps reduce those pesky stress hormones and can even lower your blood pressure. It's like a powerful, natural mood booster, and it all creates this amazing, positive ripple effect. A regular walking habit actually strengthens your immune system, making you more resilient. Plus, it's been shown to lead to deeper, more restorative sleep. You literally start to feel better both day and night.
So this is so important to remember. While 10,000 is the ideal, please don't get discouraged if you're not there yet. Not at all. Research shows that even hitting somewhere between 5,000 and 8,000 steps a day gives you huge health benefits. Seriously, every single step counts.
All right, now for the fun part. How do we actually rack up all these steps while we're at home? Let's check out 5 super creative daisy hacks that can turn your living space into your very own personal cardio class.
We've got 5 simple but brilliant hacks coming up. The morning view walk, the BHAJAN or TV walk, the phone call walk, the small space march, and, I gotta say, this one's my favorite, the super efficient commercial break dash.
Okay, this first one is just beautifully simple. You start your day by walking on your balcony or your terrace or even just pacing in front of a big open window. You get that fresh air, maybe a little bit of morning sun, and you start banking steps before the day is even really kicked off.
Seriously, whoever said exercise has to be boring? Put on some devotional music, your favorite high-energy playlist, or just catch up on that TV show you're binging. You can walk or march in place, maybe even dance around a little. The time just flies by, you get your steps in, and your mood gets a major boost. This one is the ultimate life hack, especially if you have a busy schedule. Instead of sitting down for a phone call, just get up and walk. Pace around your living room, do laps around the dining table, it doesn't matter. It's such a smart way to multitask and turn that downtime into productive fitness time.
Now, this hack right here makes sure that absolutely nobody is left out. Even if you're in a small apartment, you can march in place while you watch TV. And hey, if you have a staircase, you basically already own a fantastic piece of fitness equipment. Use it. You cannot underestimate the power of these small intervals. A typical commercial break is what, 2 or 3 minutes long? If you just get up and walk briskly during every single break, you could add hundreds, maybe even thousands of steps over the course of just one evening. It adds up so fast.
Now, I know this all sounds great in theory, but does it actually work in practice? Oh, absolutely. let's take a look at a real-life example from Riya in Pune, who completely transformed her health and energy levels using these exact techniques.
I just love this quote from her because it says everything, doesn't it? She went from feeling sluggish and heavy, like thunder, as she put it, to feeling light, energized, and defined by her movement. Her entire identity shifted to one of action and vitality. It's such a powerful change.
And her journey just proves the power of starting small. I mean, look at this. In week 1, it was just 5 minutes every hour, plus a little 10-minute walk after her meals. In week 2, she made it fun, adding a weekend BHAJAN walk. And by week 3, the results were undeniable. Double the energy and way better sleep. Amazing.
Ria's story really proves that this is achievable for absolutely anyone. So, you feeling inspired? Let's build your own Jugaad plan, your own clever, simple little strategy to get started like today. Okay, here it is, your game plan. Step 1, set a little reminder to walk for just 5 minutes every hour. Step 2, after your biggest meal, take a 10-minute stroll out on the terrace or balcony. Step 3, use your TV or phone time to march in place. And step 4, on the weekend, treat yourself to a longer 15-minute fun walk. That's it. So simple, right? So now it's over to you. Looking at all these easy, effective hacks, which one feels like the easiest one to just slip into your life right now? Is it the phone call walk? The commercial break dash? The very first step is just to choose one. And I'll leave you with this thought. If just a few minutes of walking can completely change how you feel in a day, what could 10,000 steps change for your entire life? Thanks for joining us.